Hey, thanks for stopping by at Twisted Art Designs. I'm busy working on the first video for this second series of the Julie Nutting Paper Doll Altered Books, and that should be premiering next week. But then I also received this and thought I would do a quick video to show this secret surprise. The company Grabie has contacted me to review some of their products, and they sent me a package, and I know what's in it, but I'm sharing it with you. So let's get started and see what's in here. You've probably seen them a lot on YouTube and TikTok, but I think everybody kind of has a different take on what they do with products, so I'm going to do some really fun stuff. Oh, look. So they offer a monthly kit. It is for card making, scrapbooking. You could use it for journals. I think this is their number 12 blind box, and it is the holiday one. There will be a link in the description box below where you can find this box if you're interested in purchasing it for playing around in your art journals and things. There's also going to be a discount coupon that's just especially for my viewers, so check that out too if you want a discount on their products. So this is their box. It says Happy Holidays. It's packaged up really nice. The paper is just gorgeous. In fact, I don't want to mess up this paper. This tissue paper has beautiful birds and deer and pine cones, and this would be great tissue paper to collage with. So I'm even going to use the packaging. So what do we get here? Oh, we've got some inks, pigment ink pads in a gray and in a kind of a burgundy red. This is just, talks about it being their December themed box. Oh, look at, there's rubber stamps. Oh, look at that rubber stamp. Look at the vintage Santa in his sleigh. Oh, man. What I'm going to do with this, as you know, I like to do altered books and journals and things, and I have an altered book that is my Christmas book, and every year I do a layout in the altered book. And then I add pictures and things from that holiday, write little notes about what we did, and just little things about the season so that I can look back on it. It's like a scrapbook, but it's more like an altered book journal also. So I'm going to use these in that. Look at that cute Christmas tree. This beautiful, beautiful deer. Cute rubber stamps. Adorable. Love them, love them, love them. Oh, wow. And a stamp block, too. Ooh, that's a nice one. That's awesome, and it fits the big stamp, so you've got a stamp block to use. This is some papers with borders and things. Cute, cute, cute. Oh, stickers, holiday stickers. Who doesn't love that for making our tags and things? Oh, look how pretty. Vintage stickers. Now see, everybody knows I love vintage stuff, so this is right up my alley. Vintage Christmas stickers. Here are some beautiful clear ones that are wreaths and things with holograms. Those are gorgeous. Look at these awesome stickers, and boy, you get a lot. And then there are frames. Now these aren't Christmas themed, but hey, that's even better because I can use them for other journal pages too. These are clear vellum or clear plastic frames to put over things. These would be great for making windows. In fact, I'll probably use some of these in the Julie Nutting book to make a window. Fun, fun, fun. Look at these windows, stained glass windows. Oh, I see stained glass windows in my Julie Nutting altered book future. Cool. And then here's some Christmas stickers. These are gorgeous. Look at these beautiful stickers. Wow, this is really pretty. This is more spring type, but they're still beautiful butterflies and flowers. So there's a big, nice sticker pack. There's a lot of great stuff in here. Ooh, this is cool. A snap thing, and oh, it's filled with papers. Oh, how fun is this? This is so fun. Hologram. Look at these hologram snowflakes. Those are gorgeous. They might even find their way onto my Christmas tree. Those are really pretty. And then what do we have here? These are like little die cut pieces. And then all kinds of neat collage papers. And oh, you know me, I love collage, collage, collage. Here's some embossed Christmas papers with snowflakes and stars and sun and moon. These are gorgeous. What a nice box this is. This has got some great, great stuff to use. Look at all these collage papers. Those are, you're going to see those in a lot of my upcoming journal pages because I've got some great ideas for some journaling. I want to show some more of that. This year I plan to do a lot more videos, so stay tuned because this is going to be my year upcoming where I focus solely on posting videos. So I'm going to be doing art journaling, altered books, Julie nutting, Rolodex cards, lots of stuff. So stay tuned. Look at all these cute, these are awesome little journaling papers. Vellum flowers. Oh, those are pretty. I love using those. I like to make paper doll dresses with those. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. This unboxing is pretty amazing. Oh, look at the vellum paper that's printed with flowers. There is so much cool stuff in here to use. I'm going to be a busy girl showing all this great stuff. Now, I would definitely purchase this if they hadn't sent it to me to preview. I could say that this would be definitely worth a purchase. Look at the partridge in a pear tree, 2 turtle doves paper. Oh, that's so cute. 12 Days of Christmas paper. Look, you could do this in a whole little Christmas scrapbook. The other thing I wanted to ask is, I don't know if people are still into scrapbooking, you know, the traditional scrapbooking that was so popular 10, 15 years ago. But I used to work at a scrapbooking store and manage it and teach classes, and I kind of have gotten away from scrapbooking. But if you're interested in seeing some scrapbooking layouts, let me know in the comments below, because I'd be glad to start working on some scrapbooking stuff. I still have some scrapbooks I haven't finished from a long time ago. So let me know, because I don't want to do it if it's not something that people are interested in seeing. So these papers are gorgeous, and there's 12 Days of Christmas. Look at these. Nice little journaling cards. This is pretty nifty. Pretty nifty. Pretty great. And they also sent something else, which I know what it is because they allowed me to choose. And if you've watched my art journaling or looked at my my flip-throughs of my art journals, you'll know that lettering is my all-time favorite thing. And they sent me their fine tip acrylic paint pens. These are water-based. That says this is markers. I think they were supposed to be paint pens, but let me see what they are. Oh, they're acrylic paint pens, I think. Yes, they're paint pens. Woo, I'm so glad. So anyway, they're paint pens that you can do all kinds of things with, but you know me, I love to do lettering, and now look at all these fabulous colors. And I've always been a huge fan of fine tip Uniposca paint pens, so I'm going to see how these hold up. I've seen a lot of hype about them, and I'm kind of excited to try them because these colors are very, very, very different from Posca. But look at these neat, nice tips they have. They're very fine tip. They just need to be primed and shaken, and I'm going to use them for some lettering. So I'll show an art journal page and do some lettering with these, and some bordering and some Zentangle doodling on my pages. So I can't wait to try all this fabulous stuff. Oh my gosh, thank you, Grabie. I'm excited to play along, and this will be a fun collaboration. And Again, I'll have links in the description box if you want to see their boxes. I guess they change every month, this box. So it's a different theme each month, and you never know what you're going to get, but they send all kinds of stuff, as you can see. Stamps, ink, stickers, vellum paper, all different kinds of papers, lots of stuff, frames and all kinds of things. This is a reusable thing, which will be great to have. So there, I really feel like this box, in reviewing it, that I would say it's well worth, for everything that you get, it's well worth their price. So let me list that in the description box below, see if you're interested. And then what I'm going to do next is to create something. So to make this, keep this video short, I'll end it here. The next video will be using the Christmas things in my Christmas altered book. And then I'm going to do an art journal page using the paint pens. But then I also, again, have a Julie Nutting layout coming out too. So stay tuned in the next week. There's going to be lots and lots of fun videos for you to see. And thank you for Grabie for the affiliation and letting me review your products. Thumbs up. Love it. So thanks for stopping by. Go play, guys. Have fun, make art, because you know what I say, art soothes the heart.